So we just primed the pump, put the heater on, put the heater water into that side, exiting that side, and we've just heated the engine up to what appears to be about 60-65 degrees on the dash. Well,
I better start it now.
Well, Mr. J. Varley sat in the car ready to
get cold.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Where's Alan?
Well, I don't know. Well, how do you presumably just flick the switch now, don't you?
Well, no. You don't just flick a switch.
Do we have to go through?
We have to put on the low
flight control.
Low pressure fuel pump.
Yeah.
First. Before that, let's turn it on.
Yeah.
Let's get used to it. Let's just do it.
Okay. I'll just take this polishing cloth off the front wheel, which is going to be driven.
Am I clear front and back?
You are clear front. Yeah, I mean you're not going back anyway, but there's only the body fitness mat and behind you.
That's without ignition deliberately. Turn it round.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go with ignition.
Yeah. Okay, understood. You're good.
Well, that seems to all work. It's a bit funny to get first sometimes.
Yeah, I was just saying to him in his
The
notes.
first time it seemed really smooth. This time I couldn't get it in.
He says in his notes that the gearbox has to warm
Warm
up
up.
when being driven. He can't warm it up. Yeah,
Yeah,
and same with the oil. Yeah, well, it's not
That's
doing.
why we shouldn't do too much until we
No,
get it.
he did say, and I think
Right.
you said to me, don't try gears
He
when
said
it's
definitely
stationary.
don't. Yeah.
Because you're
Thumbs
gonna-
up, Jimmy.
What do you think, guys? It's all right. It'll do.
It's awesome.
Should we
I
try-
think
should
you
we
were
try
itching.
the
You were
straight through
itching.
exhaust
Even though we know it's farm track and kind of gravel road out there, you were itching to open that door and let it go.
I just want to go. I just want to let the thing go. It's amazing.
It's oh my god.
It
It's
sounds
awesome.
The clutch pedal, the brakes, it's just everything's. It's beautifully engineered tight. It just feels gorgeous.
Right, I need to go off to Thailand and get a
Tim,
hip
just get a hip
operation.
replacement.
That's what I need to do. All right. See you
Does that
guys.
change the